Everyone, hello, my name is David T, and I really need to restart that. Here we go. Welcome, everybody. My name is David, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a fun server using the Crafting Dead mod. Now, modded servers can be fun, but, they cost quite a bit to actually host. So, the easy thing is just, you want to play with a few friends, just host your own server. Really makes life easy. So, today I'm going to be showing you how to host your own custom modded server using the Crafting Dead mod pack. So, let's get right into it. There will be 3 links in the video description here. They're the 3 tabs I have open here. So the first one you're going to go to is the MediaFire link, and it's for the cdabasic.zip. And you're going to download this zip file. And while it is, well, you don't need this page anymore, so you can close it, because I like having things clear. What? Tidy. Okay, there we go. So, here, now you're going to go to the Technic Launcher. This is the second link in the description, and you're going to go to the, this is already will take you to the download. You're going to scroll down, find your operating system. I'm only showing you how this works for Windows, so if you need another operating system, I'm not the person to ask. So you're going to download the Windows launcher. Voila. I already have a couple downloaded, I guess. And you don't need that anymore. Okay. So now we just have to wait. That is good grammar. We're just going to have to wait until all the rest of this downloads. So real quick, our Technic Launcher is downloaded, so I'm going to open it, and it might open on my main monitor here. I'm recording on my second, just because life is easy. Okay, here we go. We're just going to drag it over here. So I'm just going to do a standard install, install using the default directory. And so now I'm going to click install. And it's downloading assets, as you can see. Well, you can't really see. On my screen, if you could take a look at my screen, it would show you. But I don't want... I felt like recording on my small monitor so that people can actually see, because my large monitor is large. And yeah, so it should be downloading the launcher right now. Okay. Well, it's active here. You can take your basic thingy here, the cdabasic.zip, and you can go show in folder. Okay, so now I'm going to click Show in Folder, and it's going to bring up something like this. There might be a lot of other stuff in here. It goes to your default downloads folder, really, most likely. So, now, it should automatically be highlighted. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to right-click it, and you want to go Extract. Okay. And then you're going to want to extract it. It'll bring up something here, like this. And so then, you're going to extract. So, I'm just going to extract it to my main thing here, and now I'm going to close this that it brings up, and I'm going to find it. Here is just a file folder named CDA Basic. Now, what I'm going to do just for fun is copy that to my, desktop, because, ads, I don't like ads. So I'm just going to copy that here. Okay, so now, this is the basic information we need for our server here. Also, as it turns out, my Technic Launcher is already downloaded, so that's also pretty cool. So here is all the server information you have here. And this is everything to run your server. Now, the deal is, with updates it makes life a little bit tricky, because occasionally servers will update their mod packs. So the next step here that you gotta do is you're gonna go to the third link I sent you here. And you're gonna wanna copy this link right here. You could also just copy the link I gave you. And nope, not Technic. Yeah, actually, now you're going to want to open it in the Technic Launcher. So, you're going to log in with your Minecraft information here in the Technic Launcher. Okay, so here we go, launching up the Technic Launcher. Fantabulous launcher here. Okay, so what we're going to do, like I said, to copy and paste that one link, well, I just happened to copy my credentials because it's not my account, because I'm using a friend's account here to actually show this off. So, we're going to go, and we're going to install... That's not right. Cancel. I just tried to do that. You're going to go up here where it says Add a Pack. I don't use this launcher much. And you're going to paste in that link. And you're going to... Yeah, there we go. So here, it'll bring up the official Crafting Dead mod pack. And what you're going to do is click install. Boop. So you see our mod pack is basically downloaded here. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go and actually figure out where it installed. So it's going to be on your C drive. Hello? Life? C drive? Yeah, it's going to be on your C drive here. I'm just blind. And it's going to be in dun 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 users. Users, you're going to go to your user, and you're going to go to app data, and you're going to go to roaming. Very simple there. So, if you don't know it, right here. So, Windows, users, your user, app data, roaming. And you're going to go to where it says .technic. Now, you're going to click on mod packs, and you see it has installed the official Crafting Dead mod. So, if we see here, it's still in the process of installing. So you're going to have to wait here until this is completely installed. But now that you've found your mod packs, you can go ahead and open the official Crafting Dead mod and the mods. Just because that's the files you're going to need to actually create the modded server. So now let's open up the Technic Launcher here again, and we are going to wait for a while until it downloads Minecraft. Woo! Another thing here, port forwarding. If you want your friends to be able to play on this server, you're going to have to set up port forwarding. So what you might as well do while this is waiting here is find your IPv4 address. Now, this is a little bit tricky. Actually, it's not really very tricky. You're going to open up this thingy-mabobber here, and you're going to search for CMD. That's all you're going to do. Oh, well, it's coming up on my other monitor. It should open up just CMD, just type that and hit enter, and it should open up this. If it doesn't, search for cmd.exe. And it should open this. And what you're going to want to type is IPCONFIG. IP configuration. You're going to hit enter. Okay. So, most of this here is going to be completely blacked out, most of these numbers here, because, you know, this could be used for someone to technically, like, hack me if I wanted, which I really don't want. So, what we're going to do here is you're going to want to find the network you're on. So, I personally am not on a wireless network. If it was wireless, it'd be under here. I have a wired connection to my router, so it's going to be here. So, my Ethernet adapter. And so, I'm going to take this address that says IPv4, and it's right here. Now, this is an address I will show you, because it's not, you can't do anything with that address. You can't do anything on my server with that address. So, I am going to take this address, and I'm going to copy it, and I am going to open up some form of a text document with that information in it. Just because I can. So, new text document, whatever. I don't care what it's called. Just needs to have my IPv4 address. Okay. Now, depending on your router, here's where it gets a tiny bit tricky. If I was to go to just So depending on your router, you're gonna have to actually search for how to set up port forwarding on your router. Now, I'm going to just show you a little snippet of what mine ends up showing. Here's a little bit of a display of what my router looks like. So it's going to be, you're going to have to input this data. Now, it's going to be under, sometimes it's going to be under what would look like NAT forwarding. Sometimes it's going to be under port forwarding. Sometimes it's going to be under virtual servers. So it's really going to be varying on your router. So what you got to do, just find your router. Mine's an Archer. Mine's a TP-Link. Yeah, Archer C50. So I can just Google how to set up port forwarding with your router name. And you're going to do the same thing here. Now, when you input this data, you're going to add one here. And your service name is just going to be Minecraft, because why not? And your external port, easiest thing, just do 25565. Easiest thing there. Internal port, you're going to do the same thing, 25565. Now, protocol, you're going to want to select all. Now, with internal IP, you're going to copy and paste that IP address I gave you here. And that's here. And so you're going to paste that right here. And now, there's a space there. Yeah, so now it's all set up. And now you click OK. Now, I already have a server set up on this port. I already have this port being forwarded, as you can see right below it here. So I'm not going to really have to click OK. If I click OK, it's going to give me an error. But you should be able to click OK, and it'll just save just like that. And you have port forwarding set up. Now, what you're going to want to do here is Google just what is my IP. So yeah, just like what is my IP? Now, I cannot spell today. Okay, what is my IP? There we go. I cannot type today. So here, this will show you your public IP address. Now, for me, it is very muchly blotted out because that is an address people can do bad things with, including hacking your account. And I love the clock going off in the background. Apologize about that. But, oh, and it's 11 o'clock, so it's going to really be ringing for a long time. Okay, so this is an address you're only really going to want to give to your friends. Don't make a public server off of this. Don't share this with anyone who's really not your friend. But that will be the IP address for the server. So you can give that to your friends, only your friends, and they can connect to the server like that. Okay, problem is server's not quite up yet, so let's get back to that. I think my technical launcher is done launching. That's not right. It's done downloading. Yes, it is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go here, like I said, to Windows, Users, App Data, Roaming, Technic, Mod Packs, Official Crafting Dead Mod, Mods. So Official Crafting Dead Mod, Mods. And you're going to take these and you're going to copy them. So Control C is copy, or you can right click and go copy, either one. Now, we're going to go back here, open our CDA Basic folder that we put here. We're going to open mods. And there should be a legacy Java fixer on there. Keep that there. It's important. Now what you can do is paste, which is Control V, or right click and paste, because why not? So, you've just added the mods now to your server. And now, what we can do just for fun is we're going to try and run the server. So, there's a file here that's called startserver.bat. You're just going to double click that. And it should open up a bunch of text here. It should open up a command prompt with a lot of stuff here. That's just the console information going through. It's just telling you what's going on here. So, there's this open up. And so I didn't have any errors, so that's good. If you have any errors, feel free to contact me. My Discord information is below. Contact me on there. Just add me as a friend or join one of my Discord support servers, and I'll help you there. If you have any trouble at all, don't hesitate to contact me. Like I said, information in the below. That makes logical sense. Okay, so here our console has loaded up, and there's no errors, so we're good to go here. So I'm gonna go and open up my Technic launcher and play The Crafting Dead. Dun dun dun. Now, there we go. This is a super long recording. I'm really taking a very long time to explain this. Okay, I've only been recording for 19 minutes. So here, The Crafting Dead by Furlough Gaming. Amazing people. Go check them out. Go join their Discord. Their Discord's amazing. Their mods are extremely helpful. It's just great. Okay, so here we go. Now what you're going to want to do is click play. And then you're going to click sponsored here. Bloop. And then you're going to click other. Bloop. So, see? Here we go. Now, it's scanning for games on my local network. Well, there aren't any hosted there. But what you can do, if it's just you personally, is direct connect. When you directly connect to the server, if it was just you connecting, you can connect to local host. and that should be all you need. I'm going to click enter, logging in, and I've logged into the server. Woo! So, this is the map that I have selected to add to the server. It is the Desert Wasteland map. Great map. Real quick, I'm going to go over how to change maps and stuff. But currently that's this map. Wow, this FOV is horrible. Okay, so that's much better. So here we go. Here is the world, and it has all the custom mods here. Now, you're not going to be able to access any commands, so like /game mode or anything. Wow, I cannot spell. Like /game mode or any. I cannot spell today. There we go. /game mode. Because you don't have permission. So what you can do is open up the command prompt here that I showed you. Actually, we don't need this because you already got our IP config. But we're going to open up this one and we're going to go OP your username. Now, you'll see console optimal. So now, guess what? I can go into creative. Woohoo! I need to actually put a game mode. See, now I can fly around. Now I own this map. Now, if I wanted to, just to double check that everything's working right, I can go down here. Hello. Oh yeah, gotta go. All items. And then we can, just for fun, let's go find a gun. Nice weapon. Hehehe. Okay. Yes. Let's take an M4, because why not? M4s are pretty cool. Let's grab a box magazine. Let's grab a couple of those. Okay, so now I am reloaded, locked and loaded. See? Yeah. You may not have sound, but everything's working. Long story short, that was the whole point of showing this. I'm gonna go over real quick changing a map. So don't really need to be on here anymore. And I just ripped my earbud out. Okay, now I can't hear anything. There we go. Now I got here. So, like I said, guys, join their Discord. It is a really, really, really great place. So, let's say I don't like that map at all. So let's just go. We can just search. Let's search for let's see, a crafting. I cannot even spell. Crafting Dead map. So, ooh, we can find some of these maps here. So, like I said, this is Dead Island that we're on here. That server's hosted on. And that should be the server you're running now. So, if you want, let's try this one. Let's try getting Somerset. It's probably how you pronounce that. So I'm just gonna Somerset Crafting Dead. I can't even spell Dead map. So you don't necessarily need a Crafting Dead map. It just looks much better to have a correct map. And so yeah, I'm not entirely sure if this is actually the correct map here, but this looks like a cool map. So we're gonna download this map. Download the Minecraft world. And we're going to click download. So, should be around, 5-6 megs. Nothing big. Now what we're going to do is we're going to just take this. I'm going to drag it. Just put it right in here to our server CDA basic, because why not? And I'm going to extract all. So, it's going to extract the compressed file to be here. Now, we're going to just go ahead and open it. And now, this is all it has is a map. So, you're going to change the name here to world. All you got to do, change the name to world. Now, you're going to go back to this page here, CDA basic, and you're going to delete the file called world. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go in here with world, and you're going to drag that world to here. Now, your new world's in there. Now, it's always smart to delete the files that you copied over and downloaded, just in case it tries to upset anything in there in the server. Now, just to double check for fun, we can reload the server. Let's start the server. So here's the server, and it's running up. It's floating. It's almost up here. There we go. Now let's play. Sponsored, other, direct connect, or you can add a server. Either one works. Direct connect here. So like I said, you can also use your external IP address if everything is forwarded correctly. So I already showed you how to get to that, and that is what you're going to have to give your friends. Your friends cannot connect on this address. This is only you being local and have it being hosted on your machine. but all your friends have to connect through your external IP address. You can also connect through that IP address, but localhost is a little. This should be your server. Crafting Dead 0 of 20. Open it up, and here's your server. Whoa! I changed the map, and now it's very dark. My brightness is very moody. Let me change my brightness. Like I said, this is a brand new Minecraft thing here. Also, controls are all messed up. I don't use that key to. I don't use that as my sprint key. So, here's an area with a safe zone, just because why not? And then there's a lot of other stuff going on here. Are there any zombies? Find a zombie. Whatever. Here's your map now, and all the server info is working just like it should on here. So if you have any issues, feel free to contact me or join the support Discord. It is a great place. There's a bunch of vanilla mobs. There are no modded zombies, but there's a bunch of vanilla mobs. That's fun. See, you see if I die. Oh, see? Blood particles. See, already the mod is kicking in. So, there's not really a huge amount of stuff going on here, but easy to change your world. So, yeah, but it's easy to change the world in here. Now, just for fun, let's get blown up by a creeper. Yay! See, I died. So, there we go. Very simple how the mod works. And now you're running your own server. If you have, again, like I said, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to talk to me. So, as long as this terminal is open, everything's going well. So, again, to start your server, start server.bat. Everything should just be simple like that. If not, don't hesitate to let me know. You can find any map you want and add it to the server and have a good time with it. So, thank you all very much for watching, and goodbye. Hee hee.